head the east at 10 knots. Visibility unlimited. Anchor the weather in the logbook! There's something down there. I will bring it back for science. Aw, it's a puppy. Ah, no time. A storm. Lightning. Hail. What are you doing? Ah! Don't you know this is an exclusive club? Only explorers get in here. Not just any kid off the street with a helmet and a pair of goggles. Do you think you got what it takes? Well, do you?
Yeah,
All right, you're in. Welcome aboard. What's wrong? Can't you talk? Hey, I don't bite. You and me, we're in a club now. I saw your balloon win. Come on, let's go get it. My name's Ellie. There it is. Well, go ahead. Go on.
Ow.
Hey, kid.
Ow.
Thought you might need a little cheering up. I got something to show ya. I'm about to let you see something I've never shown to another human being ever in my life. You will have to swear you will not tell anyone. Cross your heart. Do it. My adventure book. You know him. Charles Mutt, explorer. When I get big, I'm going where he's going. South America. It's like America, but it's south. Want to know where I'm going to live? Paradise Falls, a land lost in time. I wrote this right out of the library book. I'm going to move my clubhouse there and park it right next to the falls. Who knows what lives up there? And once I get there, well, I'm saving all these pictures for all the adventures I'm going to have. Only, I just don't know how I'm going to get to Paradise Falls. That's it! You can take us there in a blimp. Swear you'll take us. Cross your heart. Cross it! Cross your heart! Good, you promised. No backing out. Well, see you tomorrow, kid. Bye. Adventures out there!